Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Skyway Classics. Today we are looking at this green beast.
Yes.
This is a 76 Ford F-150. And I believe this thing's actually a survivor. It was sitting up in on a farm in Virginia for basically all of its life.
Beautiful.
Not outdoors, thankfully. And it's original miles, original engine. I believe it's the 390. The only modifications that have been made to it is two, not one, but two auxiliary gas tanks and a sound system. And that is, both of those upgrades are thanks to our consignor here who is local. But this is a sick truck. I mean, this thing has curb appeal. It's virtually stock. It's power brakes, power steering, and AC. Mm-hmm. This thing is the green beast. I love it.
Bluetooth speaker, or I'm sorry, stereo. We got some speakers in the back behind this seat. So a rockin' stereo system and AC. That is all
just
you
a
need.
gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous truck. And you fit in them really good too. So let's go ahead and crank her up and take it for a spin.
All right.
Let's give it a crank. Fires right up nice and easy. It does have a fuel pump right here. It's electronic. And 21,652 miles on the odometer.
Wow.
Right now, which is just unreal.
AC is blowing cold too.
Yes.
And we do have the stereo here. It's an updated stereo. Bluetooth, the cords, the aux cords that you hook your phone into are right in here.
Oh, that's nice. Creature comforts. So one thing that you'll notice about this truck is she is incredibly straight. I'm not getting any shaking in my steering wheel. I don't feel any vibrations.
Nope.
Very floaty, and here we go hitting our brakes, and she's still going straight. So definitely a really cool truck. Drives fantastically. I would even say phenomenally. There are cars that we get that are 2-3 times the value that actually don't drive as nice as this. So I'm very impressed. Very impressed with this F-150. Really cool car. Well, I guess truck. Cool vehicle. We'll go with that.
Absolutely.
So we're gonna go ahead and make a U-turn here, head back to the shop, and we'll get up in the air and check out her undercarriage.
Sounds good.